how to sign up or log in on Uphold. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippin, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign up or log in on Uphold. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to sign up or log in on Uphold, simply open up the app once you have installed it from your Play Store or App Store. You can get it on your Play Store or App Store respectively depending on your device, Android or iOS. Now once you open it up, you should be headed directly to the login or sign up page. There, if you have already registered, you can simply select the sign up option. Login option. If you haven't yet registered, you can select the sign up option. Then you can go ahead and enter in all the necessary details that it will ask for and go through the prompts, and you'll be good to go. So that way you can easily sign up or log into Uphold. You can do it on the application. I'm having some trouble opening up the app. If you have a similar issue, you can head into the browser and search in for Uphold and do it so on the browser as well. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.